Hi friends, welcome back to Sheena's Homestead. I just wanted to give you a little Wednesday update and show you how things are going in the garden. I just started to pull the plastic off of the little contraption that we made. We just put some Visqueen over the top of my tomato trellis here. It's actually a tunnel. And we were able to save my tomatoes from frost. So the other ones that I didn't put the plastic over, they're done, they're gone, see you next year. But the ones that I covered actually turned out pretty well. Let me show you. So you can see here that my lettuce is all still alive and doing really well. I do have carrots in there too. I'll show you in just one second. And then this is the tomato. It is not in the best shape that it's ever been, but it is still alive. And we are still getting tomatoes to ripen. So this was an absolute success. As you can see by the marigolds, they are hanging on there too. I just need to deadhead some of the ones that are past their time here. But I would say that this did well. And I'll show you over here too. Okay, so it rained all day yesterday, and I didn't get a chance to pull the plastic before that happened. But you can see these are still hanging on. They're not fabulous, but let's be honest, it is the middle of October, so we can't really expect too much more. I mean, they could look like this, and they don't. So we've still got some growth happening here, and the sunshine today is absolutely going to help a lot. Here we have a little pepper plant. It's still hanging on. It's doing very well. I mean, if we're honest with ourselves, gardening and the process of is an experiment, and things change year to year, and we try different things, and you just make mental note of what works and what doesn't. I'm definitely going to put the plastic back up again the next time we get a frost, and I think it was a win. I'm still going, and hey, like, what else do we have to hang on to here? You know, winter is coming, so I think it was great, and it worked pretty well for something that just popped into our heads. Right here under this netting is a whole bunch of carrots. Here, I'll pull this back so you can see better. They are doing great. I mean, we are on, today is October 16th, so not too bad. In this space, I still have my cilantro growing. We've got some dill in there. This is looking fabulous. Arugula, and my rosemary has flowered. That's okay. You can see all the basil is gone. Basil did not like that frost, not one bit. But I didn't cover it, so, you know, that's pretty par for the course. My cabbage are still hanging on. This one looks so beautiful with the little raindrops on it. This rainbow Swiss chard is doing great. It has all season long. We planted this in April, and we are going to eat a full dinner out of it tonight. We're cooking up some chicken tenders, and we're going to pull some of our lettuce and the Swiss chard. We're gonna have ourselves a dinner. And then these monsters are still producing like crazy. They did not mind the frost, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna cut a couple of these today and get these in the freeze dryer so we can preserve them up. Here I have some broccoli. I've got a pest who's chomping at that. I gotta take care of it. But we've got broccoli growing. So I just pulled the plastic off the flowers, and look, That honeybee flew over so fast you wouldn't believe it. So some might say, why are you trying so hard to hang on to summer? And you know, it does matter to some. So this is why it is important. I am still harvesting in the middle of October. So my family is going to eat fresh tonight. We are going to have salads, like I said, with fresh tomatoes, fresh lettuce, Swiss chard. And I mean, that's what it's all about, right? Just taking it each day, step by step, trying to get as much, ducks agree, trying to get as much nutrition straight from our own land as possible. And yeah, it makes me proud, and it's something that is actually simple once you get the hang of it. So I hope that you guys are still hanging on to your gardens. If you're not, that's okay. There's always room to try again next year. But I just wanted to show you what you can do to extend your garden life. And here we are with our arms full of nutrition and abundance from the garden. It is definitely a blessing this late into the season. So thank you so much, my friends, for following along with me. I hope that you tried this method, and if you did it work for you? I'm so excited that it did work for us. It was definitely a success, and here is the bounty from just coming out here and thinking outside the box. So we did it. I'm excited, and I hope you guys have a great week. It's gonna be a fun week here on the farm for us. We are throwing our big annual Halloween party for our friends, some of our homeschooled friends, but also friends from our previous school's community. So we're all getting together at the house. I have some really cute things planned. I will show you how I throw that party. We'll have about 30 little kids and about 11 moms. So it's gonna be a great time. Tune in, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so that you can get notifications when I post new videos. So this week there will be some shorts on some cute Halloween crafts and treats. No tricks, I promise. So don't forget to tune in to my next show where I will show you how to do all that fun stuff for your littles, grandkids, and neighbors. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, my friends.